Alright guys, so I'm running the call. My technician's on the job at one of these sky rides. What's going on, man?
36th floor.
Oh, there's some pressure on there. See if you're getting a call in for AC to come up here. Otherwise, you're gonna have to go back down there to the building and see why it's not calling for AC. Check between here. Well, it's 2 on, so we should be getting 24 volts between these two. I guess they must got straight AC and then using electric heat. Nah, you're not getting nothing. Put the capacitor on there.
I didn't put this one on
The new one. Put the power to it. You got power to it? Alright, everything. Compressor came on, fan. Come on, let's go inside. Alright guys, we got it back up and running, and something is clogging the drain. So we're gonna suck whatever's in the drain that's clogging it up. And that's pretty much all she wrote. Suck it from here. All right, y'all, I'm out. It's another call.